reduce function. So now what is the use of map function? Number 2. Okay. So this function is used for obtaining the new iterable object from existing iterable object content by applying the to the function. So it is used to obtain the new iterable object from existing iterable object content. What is the syntax? Map var name is equal to map of function 1 then iterable object. Okay, function name and iterable object. So it's function that obtain the new iterable object from existing iterable object. Okay, object content. So what is the syntax? Map of function name comma iterable object. Now see here var name is a represent the object of map class. Okay, if you want to print here the type of this var name, so it will give the class is map, means it's the object of map class. Map function is a special function. Okay, the function name is what can either normal function definition or anonymous, means a lambda function. Maybe iterable object means can be either a sequence type or list type or set type, any type. Okay. Execution behavior of map is that the map applies the every elements of the iterable objects to specified function and generates the new iterable object with the new content. Okay, the new content the object will be generated. Okay, so our iterable object can be either sequence of list type, set type and dict type. Okay, now let us see the example so that we can understand well. Okay, so example for the math function, sorry, map function. Example. So save as this one, map example 1. Map example 1.py. One small example we are taking now. Okay, example of map function. Okay, so define one function here. Suppose we have the one function. Suppose hike is the name of function for salary hike. And salary is argument, means formal parameter here. Salary is equal to sal plus hike we are taking into 0.5. Okay, और 1.15 से hike हो रहा है, then return salary. Okay, now we had written one define one function hike salary. Okay, now the main program, in this main what we are going to write here, suppose I need to write here old salary is something. Okay, old salary in the form of list is there, 3 4 5 comma 6. Now what is the use of map function? That will update. Okay, that is what updating. Okay, see here, that is what updating. So iterable object can be this one and execution behavior. Okay, yes, this function is used for obtaining the new iterable object from the existing iterable object content. Okay, new iterable object from existing iterable object content. So existing iterable object we required. Just one example we are taking here, old salary is there, and then we are going to write here object. Okay, so map object. Okay, so map object, okay, is equal to map of hike is a function name. What is the syntax to write a map function? क्या syntax है रखने का? var name, okay, then map function name, okay, then function name and iterable object. Function name and iterable object. Function name and iterable object. Okay, so hike is the function name comma iterable object. What is the iterable object there? What is the iterable object? Old sal. Okay, it's a iterable object. Means that may be a said dictionary. Okay, now print that one. Print here old sal. The old salary will be print. Then print here new sal. Okay, so then new salary will be print. Okay, so here we declare the new salary. We have not declared the new salary, so please declare their variable. Okay, define new sal is equal to, then we need to convert into the list of, okay, mobile obj, o m obj. Okay, if you not converted this in the list, you can print here, will not get a proper way. Okay, so you can print here the type of MOBJ. You will get here class is map. Okay, let us execute this one. So here the all this element get updated. Okay, by using this math function. Okay, Python map example 1.py. Okay, so we are getting here this class is what? Map. This is the object of map class. This is the old one list. Now here for every each and every list item 0.15 get multiplied. Okay, so every list items are updated. Okay, every list items are updated. Okay, this is the use of map function. So we use here, this is old list and hike old salary. This is iterable object and you can call is this function. By calling this function, something is going to be happen. The value of salary is going to be changed here. Okay, means we are changing this every items in the list. Okay, every items in the list. Then we converted this into the list item. If you not converted at directly print, so different order you will get. Okay, different data type means in this different way you will get, but you need to print this in the list category, list type. So that's why we are going to here do the typecast. Okay, this is the small example for map function. Okay, now next example we are going to take again. So write a Python program which demonstrate the concept of map function. Okay, write a Python program which demonstrate the concept of map function on equal length list and unequal length list. Unequal length list. Okay, equal length list and non-equal length list. Okay, yes. Okay, second program. Write a Python program is demonstrate the concept of map function on equal length list and unequal. So take the two list. एक लिस्ट में चार पांच आइटम लो, चार आइटम लेंगे तो दूसरे लिस्ट में दो तीन ही आइटम लो, मतलब हो गया इक्वल लेंथ, नॉन इक्वल लेंथ। पहली लो, दोनों भी लिस्ट में सेम आइटम नहीं होना, सेम सॉरी सेम लेंथ नहीं होना। मतलब एक लिस्ट में पाँच है तो दूसरे लिस्ट में पाँच नहीं होना, एक लिस्ट में 10 है तो दूसरे भी लिस्ट में 10 नहीं होना, उसको हम बोलेंगे नॉन इक्वल लेंथ। पहले लिस्ट में तीन है तो दूसरे लिस्ट में चार या पाँच। ओके, सेम नहीं होना लेंथ। ओके, इधर चार है तो उधर डिफरेंट होंगे, मतलब सेम नहीं होना, लेंथ सेम नहीं होना लिस्ट में। इधर चार आइटम है तो उधर चार आइटम नहीं होना, नॉन इक्वल होना। ओके, सो टेक वन लिस्ट, एल एस टी इज इक्वल टू सपोज okay 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 suppose, and take the another list, lst2 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, so here four items are there to list. Okay, suppose we are calling here some lambda function first. Okay, so we are adding here to list item by using the lambda function. So listed 3 is equal to then list of do the typecasting and use here map function, map of lambda x comma y colon x plus y. Okay, then lst1 comma lst2. Okay, definitely it is going to be add. It's the addition of two list. Okay, now we can print here. Okay, we can print here, suppose print elements of the first elements of list 1 is equal to okay lst1 elements of list 2 is equal to lst2. Then we can say the resultant element means addition of two elements, resultant elements of list 3, resultant element of list 3. ओके, लिस्ट 3 में क्या रहेंगे, दोनों का एडिशन रहेगा। ओके, सो क्या आएगा उसमें 11 23 33 and 44. Okay, see here we use here map function also using this lambda function. Okay, so we added the two element to list element. Okay, to list technical side add के x comma y x plus y. This is a standard syntax of lambda and anonymous function. Then list 1 and list 2, then we convert it into the list. Okay, typecasting. Now what is the output here? 11 22 33 44, you know? Let us check this one. Yes, so we got this output here 11 22 33 44. Okay, 10 plus 1 20 plus 2 30 plus 3 40 plus 4. Okay, got it. Now next one is okay, next. So if this length are unequal, okay, this is about equal length. In this में भी चार आइटम है, इसमें भी चार आइटम है, both length are equal. Now here we are going to take x1 is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, here length is 3. Then x2 is equal to okay 100 comma 200 comma 300 comma 400 comma 500. Here length is different now. Okay, now take the next line list. List of, use this map function for adding this element. Okay, you can use the lambda function. Okay, then how can do this one? Okay, x comma y colon x plus y. Okay, so you need to write here x comma y, x plus y. Okay, now write here your list object, that is the x1, and list object is x2. Okay, now here कैसे एडिशन होंगे here we can say ओके, ये x, ये जो है उसको भूल जाइए, ये अलग है। वैसे हम यहाँ पे लैम्बडा आर्गुमेंट ले रहे हैं। ओके, पैरामीटर्स है ये, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे हम जो पास कर रहे हैं वो है आर्गुमेंट। ओके, एक्स कॉमा वाई, दिस इज नोन एज एल एस टी ऑफ वन, एल एस टी ऑफ टू के एलिमेंट्स। ओके, लाइक दिस वन, एक्स वन एंड एक्स टू आर द लिस्ट एड, लिस्ट है उसके वो एलिमेंट्स वो लेंगे। दैट आर डिफरेंट। ओके, नाउ हियर map function consider only how many element? Equal element, only equal, only equal size. Okay, equal size elements of both sets. Okay, both sets, or you can say the list. Sets or list. Okay, we declare here list, so we can say that is a list. Both list. Okay, here map and function that consider only the equals size element. So we are adding this one, so here is going to become 110. Okay, 220 or 330, then nothing. Okay, then will be nothing this one. So that will not going to be print. 400 and 500 is not going to be print. Okay, so 400 and 500 is not going to be print, right? Yes, because it's only take the equal elements. So elements of the first list. Okay, first list you can say the x1. Okay, this is what x1 list, we can write here x2. Okay, x2 and resultant element of x3, list 3, that is what x3, list x3. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? x3 only. Okay, so what is your expectation? 110, 220 और 330, बस 400 और 500 नहीं आएगा। ओके, इट नॉट प्रिंट 400 और 500 इज कंसिडर ओनली द इक्वल। ओके, yes, what is the problem here? Type having at least 2 arguments we required. Yes, something is missing there in this our statement. What we have missed this? Okay, remove this one and close this one. Okay, parenthesis. Now it will be work. Yes, this is about the old one. Okay, now see, this is the latest one, x with the same element, length is same here, element in the two list, that is okay, no problem is here. Now these elements length are different, here having the 3 element, here having the 5 element. Now addition is what going to do here. First 3 elements are get added. Okay, this one, and 500, 400 and 500 is not going to be print here. So it is consider only the equal length. Okay, it is consider only the equal length. That's it.